In this video, I will show you how to transfer from Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet. And to start, we are going to open our Coinbase Wallet, and you need to be sure that you have created a wallet on your Coinbase Wallet app. So that's something different than your Coinbase. So if you have done that and you are inside of the screen, you can select a crypto or currency that you want to transfer. And I'm going with Solana. And we're going to scroll down, and now we're going to click on buy. And right now we can enter an amount, and the minimum is €2 or something that's equivalent to €2. And to transfer it between our Coinbase and Coinbase Wallet, we are going to click on Pay With. And right now we're going to click on the top right where it says All Providers, and we're going to change this to Coinbase. And at the bottom we can see Transfer From Coinbase, and this is the one that we're going to select. And right now we enter the amount again, and let's say we want to transfer €2. Then right now we are going to transfer this from our Coinbase account to our Coinbase wallet. So for this, we're going to click on Continue to Payment. And right now we need to confirm our transfer, and we do that by clicking on Confirm. As you can see, it's complete right now, and we've just transferred €2 from our Coinbase to our Coinbase wallet in Solana. So you can click on Show Details if you want to, or you can just go ahead and click on Done. And right now it's pending, as you can see, and it can take a little while for it to occur in your main screen, but that will be there in any minute. But that is how you can transfer from Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet.